Akbar. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the creator of the seven. We are talking about the Lord of the words. لا تدركه الأبصار وهو يدركه الأبصار وهو اللطيف الخبير. तेरी कुदरतों का शुमार क्या, तेरी कुदरतों का शुमार क्या, तेरी उस. Start in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty, who is the King of kings and the King of doomsday. Respected teacher, honorable judges, and my friend, I welcome you all from the core of my heart with the Islamic salutation. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is about Allah, the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi. We are talking about the Lord of the words. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We are talking about the Lord of the universe and beyond. You know, we live in this world and we are fascinated with this world, which Allah indeed has created in a beautiful manner. This word of Allah is so big that there is no space in this world for billions or more people. But what is this world? What Allah has created out there? Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the creator of the seven heaven, and the distance between the first heaven and the second heaven is 500 years. وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. You all know the Ayatul Kursi. After this, you have the Kursi of Allah. You have the chair of Allah. Rasulullah ﷺ has given an example in a hadith just to give us a little, but understanding with regards to the seven heaven in comparison to the Kursi of Allah. Take a ring from your finger and place it in a Sahara Desert. What comparison between the ring and the Sahara Desert? Nothing. The seven heaven is the ring and the Kursi of Allah is the Sahara Desert. لا تدركه الأبصار وهو يدركه الأبصار وهو اللطيف الخبير. He is beyond the sight of Allah. Who Allah is, the greatness of Allah is beyond. I would like to wind up my speech with this poetry. तेरी कुदरतों का शुमार क्या, तेरी कुदरतों का शुमार क्या, तेरी उस अतों का हिसाब क्या, तू मुहीत आलम रंग वबू, तेरी शान जल्ल जलालहू. Thank you for listening.